Hi, and welcome to another Red Hat whiteboarding consulting video. My name is Colin Lodter. I'm a consultant with Red Hat.
And I'm Chuck Marshall, an account solutions architect with Red Hat.
And today we want to talk a little bit about cloud.redhat.com. So Chuck, I've been hearing about this cloud.redhat.com. Can you tell me what's actually included in there?
Sure, Colin. Cloud.redhat.com is a place where customers can go to see tools, features, and dashboards about their cluster and cluster management.
So can you tell me a little bit about each of these tools?
Sure, Colin. Cloud.redhat.com includes Red Hat Insights, cloud management services, and cluster management for Openshift.
Okay, and what is Red Hat Insights? What's included in that?
Red Hat Insights is our software as a service that allows customers to see potential problems before they've even affected their systems.
Can you tell me about how that is actually done?
Sure. With Red Hat Insights, customer machines are able to communicate back to Red Hat with a minimal amount of configuration data. Red Hat digests that and can create an Ansible playbook that can remediate any of those potential issues.
That's awesome. I know you mentioned something about the cloud management as well. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure. Our cloud management gives customers insights into vulnerabilities and compliance issues that may arise.
So the vulnerabilities, can you speak a little bit about that?
Sure. The vulnerabilities are listed by category and by severity, and you're able to see which systems of yours may be affected.
So what about if my teams want to apply standard compliance policies? Is that something that can be done?
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, there are a few standard compliance policies that are listed on cloud.redhat.com, and you can also see which of your systems may be out of compliance. Get an Ansible playbook, much like you did in Insights, and run that and remediate your compliance issues.
Oh, cool. So we've talked a lot about the infrastructure side of things and your actual underlying systems. What about my Openshift clusters? Is that something that's viewable in this data?
Right. Just because we've remediated and viewed the underlying systems doesn't mean we've necessarily taken care of the Openshift clusters. So there's another offering that we have called cluster management. And the cluster management allows you to see particular metrics about your clusters, and also has a subscription dashboard.
So the metrics you mentioned, what kind of data can you see with that?
The metrics allow you to see key pieces of information, such as the version of Openshift cluster that you're running and where you've provisioned it, such as AWS, Azure, or even bare metal or OpenStack.
Okay, awesome. So I know you also mentioned subscriptions. I always know that I want to make sure that I'm fully subscribed and supported. So that's something that's available in this as well?
Absolutely. With the subscription dashboard, clients are able to see exactly which of their systems have been subscribed and if there are any potential non-subscribed clusters.
Cool. So I do want to touch one thing that you mentioned back in Insights. You said that the data is sent back to Red Hat. Is that something that's absolutely necessary, and what are the benefits of that?
So I know a lot of security folks get a little nervous about sending data outside of those companies. But with the data that we send up to the data that is sent from clients to Red Hat is very minimal configuration data, and it allows Red Hat to get a better understanding of what potential problems there may be. This is also configurable, and you can send as much or as little data as you so choose. The more data you send, the more we're going to be able to help you.
Got it. Thanks for telling me a lot about that. So if you'd like to learn more about this, please go to redhat.com/services or reach out to your account representative to get the conversation started. Thanks.